Yeah. Now is my time. Now is my time.
Your thing, bro. Even though you big as hell, niggas still can't see you. Bro, just go, bro. Don't even question it. Don't pull the whole box out, bro. All you need is a little bit. My fault, bro.
Oh, he's dope.
Yeah, them shit's tough. Fuck with them heavy? Oh yeah.
This stuff too.
Yeah, that shit is tough. Double tongue, double swoosh, double laces, double soles. Oh man. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Doing two quick unboxings of two recent releases that happened in the United States, because these were out already before. All I did was open the box, but I haven't seen the sneakers yet. So to my left, we have the less hyped Nike Blazer mid Sacai's, and to the right, we have the Nike LD Waffle Sacai's. These I won in the sneaker pass, and I picked them up in Nike 21 Mercer. And these I went through the sneakers raffle. So here, let's just open the most hyped one. That's what everyone wants to really see. Sorry, I'm recording with one hand and opening this up with one hand. I'm assuming this has Sacai, but I don't really care. The word isn't controversial, the one that I'm looking for, but I guess it is, because people don't know how to feel about this shoe. More specifically, this second sole right here that sticks out. This little foam-like thing. There's a video of someone cutting it on Instagram. If I remember, I'll cut it in. But everything's doubled up on the sneaker. Double tongue. Nike sportswear, and then this one says Nike Sacai. Pretty cool. Double laces on there, as you see, double colors. Double swoosh, double sole. That beautiful waffle sole. What does that say right here? US patent, whatever. And then Nike Sacai in the back. I'm a fan of the sneaker. They run pretty small because this is a size 10 and my foot wouldn't go inside, so I would say size up. I'm not keeping it. I already sold the sneaker for $400. I gotta go ship it out right after this video, but a very clean pickup if you got it. Congratulations. And now for this side, we have the Blazers. Retail on this pair was $140, and retail on the Waffles was $160. It doesn't say it there because I'm not sure why. The exact same box, so I'm gonna just cut it when I open this. So I'm just dig in there, rip the paper up. And this is the Blazers. The blue ones would have been much better, and as anyone that knows me knows that Blazers are my favorite silhouette, but this shoe is corny. Same thing, double laced up, double tongue, double swoosh, oh, this isn't even like a double sole. I don't know what the fuck this is. Sorry about that door opening, that's my dog. They actually ruined the Blazer for me, because this is actually too much detail for one shoe. This gives me that off-white vibe-ish, but done in a very bad way. Anyone that knows that Blazers run half a size small, so you gotta go full size up. But these look, they run even smaller, so I'd maybe go full size up. I'm not gonna try this on because I already sold this. This was going for around 400 too. After the release, they started dipping. Now they're going for like 300 to 280. So yeah, these are gone. Overall, everyone's a fan of the Waffle instead. So much better design sneaker. Looks so much better overall. This is definitely summer shoe. People were talking about sneaker of the year. I don't know about that one. This is like as good as it looks. I feel like it only looks so good because it's ugly, if that makes sense. Like I would only run and rock this because no one else is. Oh yeah, that little mesh panel so they can see your socks. I'm already over that. It was cool on like the Off-White Zoom Flies or the Nike Epic Reacts, but it's being overdone now. I'm getting real sick of it. But yeah, you wear these Blazers, you have no sense of style. These are really ugly, especially this yellow colorway. Jesus Christ. It's yellow, red, and like navy blue and white. I don't even know who thought that was a good idea. Even though it's kind of like, I don't know why. Like that colorway is so ugly on this sneaker, but it just fits better on this one. But yeah, that was all. I'm gonna go ship these shoes out right now to the post office before they close. Let me know what you guys think of these sneakers in the comment section below. And sorry for all the background noise. Some of my family is leaving to DR and they're packing up, and you know how that goes. Peace.